Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. Exercise 5.3 question number 8. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. Second term is 14, that is A2 equal to 14. Third term is 18, that is A3 equal to 18. You have to find out the sum of first 51 terms of the AP. A2 equal to 14. So we can write A plus D equal to 14. A3 equal to 18. So we can write A plus 2D equal to 18. We can do the elimination method here. We get minus D equal to minus 4. That is D equal to 4. Now we can give the value of D equal to 4 in this equation. A plus D equal to 14, that is A plus 4 equal to 14. A equal to 14 minus 4, that is A equal to 10. So we got the value of A equal to 10 and value of D equal to 4. We have to find out the sum. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is equal to 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1 into 4. Here a equal to 10, d equal to 4, n equal to 51. So we get 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4. 51 minus 1, that is 50. Next we have to multiply this 50 into 4. We get 51 by 2 into 20 plus 200. That is equal to 51 by 2 into 220. This 2 and 220 we can cancel. There we get 110. So the answer is 5610. So the sum of first 51 terms is 5610. Question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Sum of first 7 terms is 49. S7 equal to 49. And sum of 17 terms is 289. S17 equal to 289. You have to find out the sum of first n terms, that is Sn. We have S7 equal to 49. This 7 is number of terms, n equal to 7 and S7 equal to 49. So that we can give in the equation n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we get 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d equal to 49. This 7 by 2 we can take to right side. It will be into 2 by 7. We get 2a plus 6d equal to 49 into 2 by 7. This 7 minus 1 is 6d. This 7 by 2 is taking to right side. It is becoming 2 by 7. So we can cancel this 7 and 49. So we get 2a plus 6d equal to 7 into 2, that is 2a plus 6d equal to 14. That we can keep as our first equation. Next it is given sum of 17 terms is 289. So S17 equal to 289. Here n equal to 17. So that we can give in the equation. We get 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. This 17 by 2 we can take to right side. It will become 2 by 17. So we get 2a plus 16d equal to 289 into 2 by 17. Here we can cancel this 17 and 289. So we get 2a plus 16d equal to 17 into 2, that is 2a plus 16d equal to 34. So here our equation number 1, 2a plus 6d equal to 14. Here our equation number 2, 2a plus 16d equal to 34. We can eliminate it. So we can write the equation number 1 also here. We get 10d equal to 20. D equal to 20 divided by 10, that is D equal to 2. So we go to the value of D, it is 2. Now we can find out the value of A. We can give the value of D in this equation. So the equation is 2a plus 6d equal to 14. There we can give D equal to 2. We get 2a plus 6 into 2 equal to 14. That is 2a plus 12 equal to 14. 2a equal to 14 minus 12. 2a equal to 2. A equal to 2 by 2. That is A equal to 1 and D equal to 2. You have to find out Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. There we can give the values A equal to 1 and D equal to 2. So we get n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. The value of n is not given. We have to find out the sum of first n terms. So n we have to keep as n itself. So that is equal to n by 2 into 2 plus 2n minus 2. This bracket we removed, n into 2. It is 2n. Minus 1 into 2. It is minus 2. Now you can see this is plus 2 and this is minus 2. We can cancel it. So we get n by 2 into 2n. Now you can cancel this 2 and 2 again. So we get n into n, that is equal to n square. Therefore the sum of first n terms is n square. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.